Oh yeah, I made it to Busch Gardens, Tampa. Haven't been back. Haven't been here since 2017. So yeah, I have a new credit to get, and I got a lot of awesome coasters to ride. So yeah, let's do this. As you can see here, it's pretty dead. Not too many people here. That's good for me. That means I can do a lot and ride a lot of rides multiple times. Man, it's hot. I almost brought me a jacket. I'm glad I didn't. Let's find a ride. Unfortunately for this trip, Cheetah Hunt is closed. So the most I can do is just look at it as I walk by. At least the new paint looks good. So I have a choice, either Busch Gardens or Montu first. Busch Gardens, Montu. Busch Gardens is a half an hour wait. Oh, where's the people at? I've never been to the park this empty. I hear people. Here we are. Yes. Yes. Just got out of Busch Gardens. Overall fun ride. I almost didn't finish it. Definitely a reminder to let me know that I need to cut out some pounds, but it was still fun. think I'll ever ride this again.
While enjoying the ride on Tigris, we ask that you please adhere to the following rules designed for your safety. This is now
Oh my God! Oh! I managed to catch the last Tigris right before it started raining. I don't know if you can see it, but got the ground. It is wet. Right now I'm just walking around. All the rides are down because it was raining not too long ago. And I'm thinking the rides should reopen very soon because the rain has the rain has stopped. I'm about to see what's up with Shikra right now. All right, they just reopened Shikra. Let's go. All right, I do not miss this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. I don't know if it's a hot take or not, but I like Tigris. Tigris is really, really fun. It's a really smooth ride. Lots of forces. Like, there's nothing I don't like about that ride. It's a really, really fun ride. It's crazy that people don't like it, but I love it. So I just recently got off of the Sand Serpent, and yeah, that thing got some crazy insane laterals. Fun ride, fun ride. I think I'm gonna go back to Shikra on the back row, see if I can get some footage for that. And then in my night, hopefully marathoning Montu, or at least get one ride before the park closes. It's around 7. It's like 1 more hour until the park closed. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. Shikra is a 5-minute wait. Let's do this. It's pretty cool. Okay, never mind. I only managed to get one ride because the front row ride was so long and then there was only running one train. So I only got one ride, but god damn, that was a good ride. Montu was hauling ass. You hear me? Hauling ass. I freaking love that coaster. It would have been a better day if Kuma was open, but that's fine. I got, what, 2 rides on Montu. All right, let's do my whole coaster count. I got no rides on Cheetah Hunt, no rides on Kumba because they're both closed. I got 2 rides on Montu, 2 rides on Shikra, 2 rides on Tigris, 2 rides on Scorpion, 1 ride on Sand Serpent. So, yeah, good day. Today was a good day. I'm glad I came here. This is the end of the vlog. So if you want to see more of my stuff, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Cultures and Travels so you can A, support my channel, and B, get notified when I post a POV, a vlog, or anything coaster or travel related. So with that said, I hope all you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Peace out.